Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and I wanted to share with you guys a product technique that works really well for lightly soiled interiors. I'm actually going to be using one product to do all of the inside of this vehicle, and it's this right here, ONR. I have half an ounce in 1 gallon of water. You can see here, we got 1 gallon of water. I'm actually going to do a combination of a wet microfiber. I'm going to use this lime green one here. That was actually the microfiber of the month from Autofiber, and I thought this would be a great way to kind of test it out. But then we're also going to take this bottle here, and this is going to be for our glass and our door jambs. When we're done, we're going to wipe our vinyl down. We're going to do our glass. We're going to actually do spot cleaning for stains, light stains. We're going to wipe down everything from head to toe with ONR quickly, easily, and then we'll finish up with our Turtle Wax Ice for a protectant on the dash. But other than a UV protectant to clean everything, we're going to just be using this one product. So I just want to go real quick and show you how I would actually do that. I have my Autofiber Pearl microfiber, and I also have a premium microfiber from Lat 26. I'm in love with both of these for glass. They've been working really well. My favorite glass cleaner that I've so far been enjoying is Lat 26, their screen and glass clean. But for today's purposes, and I'll show you guys that product in a video very soon, but since this is for an elderly customer, she really does not use her vehicle hard, I figured this is actually a basic maintenance. Even though it's a first time for her coming to me, she's actually the in-law to my neighbors, and because I've seen the condition of the vehicle and I know that it's really not used other than the driver's seat, we're gonna just do a very quick basic maintenance. That's about a 2.5 hour appointment, and because I'm not wanting to spend a whole lot of time and a whole lot of money on product, this is gonna be the most economical and also best alternative for cleaning. So we've got our rag soaking in this. Give me 1 second and I'm gonna put you down so I can squeeze this out and lay this out in fours. All right, so we've got our microfiber squeezed out. We're just gonna kind of come in here and wipe everything down. Get all of the fingerprint smudges and dirt and everything cleaned up. We can do our cup holders. You can see we're picking up dirt. It does a great job at cleaning surfaces and encapsulating. We're just coming in here quickly, and forgive me if this is shaky, and then we're going to come with a dry microfiber and just follow up, dry that off. And then let's take a look at what the finished look looks like using ONR for our cleaner. You can see, one, we remove the risk. A lot of times as detailers you will see APCs being used on the vinyl, and if you're using that in direct sunlight, the APC can die or damage the vinyl on the door. Sometimes you'll see constant guys have coming on with posts saying, oh my gosh, the APC dried with the sun and now I've completely damaged the vinyl. What do I do? And sometimes you see detailers trying to hide it with a dressing, but they've done damage to the vinyl. This is a safe way to clean vinyl dressings. You do not have to worry about sun damage, streaking, removing any sort of color finishes, and it just dries to a nice clean finish. We can come up, if you choose, with a, even just an exterior spray wax or some sort of interior dressing to put a UV protectant down. That's really the most important part. I don't care to have a gloss finish. I think honestly sometimes detailers use that to mask their inability to kind of clean. I like to show the cleaning power that I have provided through my detailing services, but then I will also come along and protect with the UV dressing on the areas that are most prone to be hit by the sun. So we've gone ahead and done that. Now let's go ahead, let's see what we can do for light stains. Just come in here. You can tell they spilled something on the fabric. We're just gonna come in here, wipe all this down. You can see we're picking up whatever sort of soiling is on the seat. Gonna come over here. It is safe for pleather. You can come over, remove all that soiling. We're gonna take it, we're gonna actually do our steering wheel with the ONR. You can see we're still picking up soiling. Has a great ability to clean. Just come in here, get all of our dust, dirt, fingerprint smudges. And I'm safely cleaning the electronics because I'm not spraying liquid directly into any sort of buttons or areas where that might be of concern. Can actually come up here and do our screens. We will follow up with a glass microfiber. You can safely clean your screens. Just keep going up. ONR is a fantastic glass cleaner. So I don't need to make this super long-winded, but I hope you guys get the picture. From vinyl to spot cleaning seats to scrubbing all of your vinyl. And then last but not least, we will take our ONR. We will spray down our, if we spray down our glass. Come in here and clean all of our glass. Follow up with a dry microfiber. And we've got clean glass. So I hope this kind of shows you guys, and then obviously we would use at the very end, use our green microfiber and go ahead and do all of our door jambs. You can even spray the ONR to kind of pre-spray, get any of the heavy dirt and dust that's kind of built up in there. Just spray that in there. Loosen it up, help encapsulate, wipe it down, dry it off with your drying towel, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna keep moving on this detail, but I wanted to share with you guys this tip for any of you who work on dealer cars, or maybe you're working on lightly soiled customers' vehicles, or maybe you're working on your own personal vehicle and you don't really have that heavily soiled of a vehicle and you just want to clean it up from time to time, or maybe it's winter time and you want to use ONR for inside and outside for customers. This is a hugely economical and a wide variety of uses for this product. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I've got a lot of great content planned in the next couple of weeks. Forgive me if I've been a little bit slow with videos. We've had some illness in the family, and we're finally kind of getting through the tail end of that. But just between school and soccer and owning the business and YouTube and everything, you know, life just kind of gets in the way. So thank you guys for all of your support. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Alright, so let me show you a quick view of what the after looks like using ONR to wipe everything down. We've got all of our glass cleaned. We've got all of our doors and dash, everything wiped down. I have not put any sort of dressing on so you can see what the finished look is. We did light spot cleaning, might have to follow up, but there was a lot more staining here. I'll just follow that up with some more ONR just to kind of emulsify that a little bit more. We got all of our cup holders and everything cleaned, our vents. Everything smells great. Cleaned it safely. Our door jambs have been cleaned and wiped down safely. I still have to wash it, so I'm not too worried if there's just some light debris, but I got a majority of it. I'm going to follow up with a drying towel after I wash it. But you can see the ONR is a fantastic tool to use in and out. We wiped down, this was very dusty, we wiped all of that down, and we just have a nice even black appearance to all of our plastics. Even up here we used the ONR to clean that. That had a lot of heavy pollen and dirt buildup. You can see what our solution looks like afterwards, and what's great is you might think that I completely ruined that microfiber, but from the amount of dirt that I had on here, especially from door jams, what's great is that majority of that soiling will wash right off from the ONR, and that microfiber will look good as new. So I hope you guys enjoy this tip on ONR, not just for the outside, you can also use it on the inside. I'm gonna follow up with my turtle wax just to put a UV dressing, and we will call this interior done. I had this vacuumed, everything cleaned, glass included, in under an hour. So this is a good night's work, and we're gonna do our dressing. That'll take me maybe 5-10 minutes, and we'll call it a day on the interior, and then tomorrow I can finish up the exterior. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.